the future continuous tense in fashion, describing ongoing style trends. BR fashion is a dynamic industry that is constantly evolving and changing. One way to describe ongoing style trends in the fashion world is by using the future continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about actions or events that will be happening at a particular time in the future. When applied to fashion,
the future continuous tense can help us describe trends that are expected to continue or be in vogue in the upcoming seasons. One example of a trend that can be described using the future continuous tense is the prevalence of oversized silhouettes in fashion. Oversized garments have been a popular style choice in recent years, and it is likely that this trend will continue to dominate the fashion landscape in the future. For instance, we can say, in the coming seasons, oversized blazers will be making a statement on the runways. Another ongoing trend that can be described using the future continuous tense is the use of sustainable and eco-friendly materials in fashion. As the fashion industry becomes more conscious of its environmental impact, we can expect to see an increase in the production of sustainable clothing. For example, we can say, brands will be incorporating recycled fabrics into their collections in an effort to reduce waste and promote sustainability. Additionally, the future continuous tense can be used to describe the evolution of color trends in fashion. Certain colors may be predicted to remain popular for an extended period, such as pastels or earth tones. We can say, neutral tones like beige and sage green will be continuing to dominate the fashion scene in the upcoming seasons. Furthermore, the future continuous tense can also be used to describe the development of innovative design techniques in fashion. For instance, we can predict that 3D printing technology will continue to be utilized in the creation of avant-garde garments. We can say, fashion designers will be experimenting with 3D printing to create intricately patterned designs in their collections. In conclusion, the future continuous tense is a useful tool for describing ongoing style trends in the fashion industry. By using this tense, we can paint a vivid picture of the evolving landscape of fashion and anticipate how certain trends will continue to shape the industry in the future. So, keep an eye out for these trends as they unfold in the coming seasons.